warning for southwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 2 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Bernieville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Madill, Tishomingo, Marietta, Lone Grove, Kingstone, Dixon, Mansville, Rabia, Overbrook, Russet, Lebanon, Lake Murray, northwestern Lake Texel, and Oakland. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 16 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.